Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you incredibly delicious Indian hot spicy wings Chennai style. So we are gonna use a lot of spices guys today. If you like our videos guys, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, we are gonna need for this recipe 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, 1 piece of green onion, half of white onion, then approximately 350 grams of chicken wings. Then we are gonna need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We are gonna need red hot pepper, chili pepper in separate bowl, 1 teaspoon of pepper paste, 3 pieces of garlic, 3 leaves of daphne leaves, and 3 pieces of dried red hot chili peppers. And as for spices guys, we are going to use today a lot of spices because this is Indian cuisine guys, and we all know that Indian cuisine has to have a lot of spices. So I'm going to go ahead and start with red hot chili pepper, turmeric, red sweet pepper, cumin, black pepper. Sorry guys, this is curry, black pepper, cumin, oregano, and salt guys. So first thing we are gonna do here is we are gonna need a bowl like this. Then we are gonna add our cornstarch. I have here 3 tablespoons. Then guys, I'm gonna take out all the spices and just start pouring them. Then guys, another part of the spices comes in. What we do here is we mix it up well. Make sure it should be perfectly mixed, even the color of the starch, like the spices. Guys, if you don't have any of the spices that I used, you can replace them. You can put anything that you enjoy eating as spices. Guys, we are gonna add our chicken wings. We mix it up. So guys, before starting cooking the chicken, I preheat our oven for 10 minutes. So right now I set it for 40 minutes. So 10 minutes is for preheating guys, on the highest level, all right? So guys, coming back to the sauce of our chicken, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the vinegar. It's 1 tablespoon, apple vinegar. Then olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Then guys, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of pepper paste. I'm gonna start adding the spices, red hot chili pepper. At this stage, guys, I have cut in very small tiny pieces the garlic, 3 pieces of daphne leaves, and 3 pieces of dried red hot pepper. Right, all of this I'm gonna add now. Okay, guys, I've chopped green onion in very small slices, so that's also, I'm gonna add all of it here. Then guys, as for onion, white onion, I've chopped them in medium size in very thin slices guys. That's also going to go in. and we are gonna mix it all up. So guys, after you created the sauce, you let it rest, and you start with the baking paper. I'm gonna place it on a tray. What I do at this stage is I take piece by piece the chicken, and I'm gonna place it in our tray. After you have set your chicken wings on the tray, make sure that we don't have anywhere an open place. So here I see a little bit chicken skin seen. So what I do is I take the spices and I pour on top of them. The same thing goes here. Just try to cover it with the spices, all right? Here a little bit. Guys, it's time for our chicken wings to go in. So I'm gonna place it now and see you after 15 minutes. So guys, it has been 15 minutes. It's time to flip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start flipping. So after flipping it, we are gonna place it back for another 15 minutes, guys. Guys, you are gonna eat your fingers because this is so delicious. I promise you, you should try it out. You'll be totally in love with it. Yes, it's ready now. Ooh, it smells so good, guys. So what we're gonna do first is so guys, we're gonna take our chicken and start placing it in a bowl. I'm gonna start adding our sauce already. I'll keep placing our chicken. So guys, what we are gonna do is we are gonna add all the sauce that we have prepared. We are gonna mix our chicken wings with them. It's so good, guys. You should smell it. It's perfect. Bon appetit, guys. Guys, enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching us. Wishing you all to have a nice evening. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, guys.